Hello WordPress users. Want to keep your visitors informed about your business hours? Today, we're diving into the Business Hours Indicator plugin, a simple tool that displays your hours directly on your site. Ready to streamline your customer experience? Let's get started. What is the Business Hours Indicator plugin? It's a WordPress plugin that shows your business hours and updates automatically to reflect whether you're open or closed. Go to Settings, Business Hours Indicator. Here, you can set your business hours for each day of the week. If your business is closed on certain days, you can mark those days as closed. Next, let's add the indicator to your site. Go to Appearance, Widgets. Drag the Business Hours Indicator widget to your sidebar or footer area. You can also use a shortcode to place it anywhere on your site. That's it. Your visitors can now see your business hours at a glance. In the description of this video, you have a link to an article about the Business Hours Indicator plugin. Before we go, let's cover a few troubleshooting tips. If the widget doesn't display correctly, check your theme's compatibility and ensure there are no plugin conflicts. Also, make sure your time zone settings are correct. And that's how you master the Business Hours Indicator plugin. It's a simple way to keep your customers informed and improve their experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips. See you next time.